How to enable dark mode on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply choose and select the way you want your app Instagram to look like. For that purpose, head over to your profile, head over to the three section right here onto the top right hand side corner of your profile. This is basically the settings section. Everything you want to be working with is right here. And here onto the search bar, you're going to select dark mode. You're getting right here. And onto the dark mode, you can simply click on, and if you want to turn it off, you can click on off, so that way it's going to disable the dark mode, or you can simply just choose default, system default, that is, they're just going to adjust it based on the appearance of your device's system. So let's just say somebody uses light mode by the day, and as soon as the night falls in, they use dark mode. So it's just going to quickly adjust it to your system's default. Now, this is a very simple, easy, and quick way to enable dark mode on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.